Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if this glare, is there like a glare? It's kind of distracting. Let me just take these glasses off. Anyway, so today's video is a clip of an event that I went to. I went to a General Assembly event, pretty much about how to attract a LinkedIn recruiter or just a recruiter in general, and kind of how to stand out of hundreds of applicants. And so this is a clip of a video that I took of the event, but this is also a precursor to a series of how to stand out based on the event that I went to. Again, this is from General Assembly. I believe that they have a bunch of organizations around the country, a bunch of locations around the country. So check their website to see if there's anything near you so that you can also go to these events. Most of these events are free, and you just walk in and there's a bunch of panel discussions and just meetups and all of that. And I think it's really great for those trying to transition to tech or anything around that field. So definitely check them out. They didn't sponsor this video. I literally just went to the event and I decided to start filming. Some of the things that the recruiters were saying were actually pretty useful. So with that being said, here is the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Using buzzwords, for example, like I'm a great, they used this earlier, but like I'm a great communicator, but like be really specific at what that means, because our executives might communicate one way versus recruiters may recruit a different way, so we want to know how you communicate, or say a project that you're working on, you got results. I think another thing is not knowing about the company, which it sounds really silly, but I know with recruiters, we get this all the time where people apply and they jump on the phone and they're just like, I don't know who you are. We're like, well, why did you apply? And then I think the third one is not really utilizing questions appropriately. So I think, one advice I always give to people is when you ask a question, be sure to follow up. So, tell me about your culture, and the recruiter spends time talking about the culture. Well, great, let me show you, let me demonstrate to you how I exemplify that culture. It's a great way to pair those two things together.
Yeah, to add to that conversation with the recruiter, you're most likely qualified for the role. So it's like, how do you make yourself stand out? And I think to me, especially at a place like Slice where we get a lot of inbound applications, it's important to show your motivation and why you want to be at Slice and how you align with our mission more than anything. And that's one way that you really stand out. Because again, you get a lot of applications where you kind of have to screen people out, but then when you actually get, that's like your chance to really shine right there and really add a lot of colors to your background and see the things that you can't see on a resume, and that's like really your opportunity to really sell yourself during that time.
And I really like to use the phone screen as an opportunity to learn more about your story and also give you an opportunity to ask questions. While I'm learning more about you, I hope you're taking the time to learn more about the company. And also I hope you feel empowered, after a phone screen, if you didn't feel it was great or maybe you didn't necessarily, jive with the mission of the company or something like that, that's okay. You can walk away from that company as well. It really should be a two-way conversation and a two-way street between you and the company.
So for me, it's like someone that's extremely eager, asks great questions, and just wants to have like an overall just like growth mindset.
To be persistent. Let's say you apply to a job and maybe the team is looking for somebody with more experience. It's okay to follow up and say, well, do you have any other opportunities that might match my skill set? Or can we chat one-on-one over coffee? I'd love to learn about opportunities down the line. See rejection as an opportunity to potentially open a new door to someone.